Wallahi, I swear. I swear, no Palestine is more than 3 months remainful. If you try to extend yourself 10 years, it won't happen that. كل واحد شيء 10 years don't be mature is that lesson. You have to answer a question. You call me. No. Foundation is illegal. This is a word of Allah. They want to make a private building in the masjid. They have to answer. You have to answer me. You have to sit down there and answer foundation. No.
Answer. Yeah, if you don't want a fitna, I'll say something. He used to pray behind him. The people who know they are not Muslim. No, I'm telling you, I'm telling everyone.
Everyone you want to talk in
Muslim mosque is your mosque. Answer. It's something you hide. There is something you are hiding. Yes. There is something you are hiding. So, what is the